How to save your game progress in Palmon Survival. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In Palmon Survival, if you want to save your progress, then it is actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open your Palmon Survival game and check if you are playing as a guest. Guest accounts usually don't save safely, so once you are inside this main homepage of your game, go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left corner from your game section, and then this will open the Explorer info page. From the bottom, tap Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account. Now this will open the User Center where you can go ahead and make sure that you've signed in to your account with email or with any other socials. You can go ahead and log in using the email address option if you want, or you can click on Link Social and select one of the social options you want to save your progress on. You can continue linking your Google account, Facebook account, or your TikTok account. Just select one of the options under social and then go ahead and enter your credentials. I selected the Google option. Now go ahead and choose your account or enter your account's credentials. Go ahead and enter your Google account's credential if you've selected Google. If you've selected Facebook or other option, go ahead and enter the credential for your chosen social method. Now, after you do that, enter the email and click Next. And on the next page, go ahead and enter your password for that account. And finally, click Next. Once you tap Next, if your credentials are correct, you'll be able to link your Palmon Survival game with one of the social options. Whichever option you have chosen and signed in, once you've signed into your account with email or social links, you'll be able to save your progress in the game. If you uninstall the game while playing as a guest, your progress may be lost permanently, but if you have linked your account with email or socials, then your survival journey in Palmon Survival is safe no matter what happens to your device. You can now go ahead and log into any other devices of your choice as well, and you'll be able to continue the game from where you left off. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.